piles. They're going down about average 14 to 17 feet before we hit our torque installation that is required from our engineer. Yeah, the house is settled about 2 inches now over time in this area that we're over here recovering. And as you can see on the house, it's got no rain gutters at all. And I wouldn't per se say that that's the entire reason why this house is settling, because it's not the soils obviously, but definitely having rain gutters would have helped, because you know, all the rain over time is just falling off right next to the foundation, it's soaking up right next to it, and that's definitely not good for the soil. So some rain gutters definitely could have helped this house. And that's your tip of the day.